The shop money pit is back in the garage. We are going to be installing the new wing that we painted gloss black to match. So Ted, how much was the silencer?
$50.
So add that to the money pit list.
I bought the back seat brackets. You know how they're supposed to latch into something? If you get hit from behind, it's just gonna collapse. That's not safe, bro. A Corolla. Okay. No. That's someone that doesn't wear a seatbelt.
So Ted, how much was that bracket?
Oh, it's really cheap. I bid up to $150 and I won it for $15. Okay, then don't do it.
This was originally white.
Go ahead and lift it out of the way. Yo, hold on, is it straight? Is it where you want it to be? Oh my God, you took it off too fast. Akira Makai-san.
I like it. Gives the back some more detail, some more depth, some more character to it, I would say.
Ready to join the crew? Call Dom. You got another. You know, it's funny. I've only seen the first Fast and Furious movie, really.
What do you think, bro?
Looks good. Oh yeah, it's nice. I ordered carbon fiber end caps for that spoiler.
Definitely gives a character, I would say for sure. Back was kind of boring. Now it just has more of a presence, which is good.